What is polymorphism? Polymorphism is a key concept in object-oriented programming, where objects of different classes can be treated as objects of a common parent class. It allows for the use of a single interface to represent multiple related objects, providing flexibility and code reusability. This is the parent class that represents a general event. It has two protected instance variables, event motif and event date, which hold the motif and date of the event. The class has a constructor that takes event motif and event date as parameters and assigns them to the respective instance variables. It also has a display method that prints the event motif and date, and a plan method that prints a generic message for planning the event. Next is the wedding class. This is a child class of the event class representing a wedding event. It adds two private instance variables, the bride name and the groom name, representing the names of the bride and groom. The class has a constructor that takes event motif, event date, bride name, and groom name as parameters. The constructor uses the super keyword to call the constructor of the parent class and initializes the inherited instance variables. It also has a display method that overrides the parent class method and additionally prints the name of the bridegroom. The plan method is also overridden to proven a specific implementation for planning a wedding. Third is the wedding planner class. This is the main class that contains the main method, serving as the entry point for the program. It creates a scanner object to read user input from the console. The program prompts the user to enter the event motif and date using the system.out, print, and scanner next line methods. The user's input for these details is stored in the variables event motif and event date, creating an instance of the event class. An object of the event class named event is created using the provided event motif and date. The program prompts the user to enter the names of the bride and groom using the system.out, print, and scanner next line methods. The user's input for these details is stored in the variables bride name and groom name. This program demonstrates the polymorphism by using the same method names, display, and plan in both the parent and child classes. The specific implementation of these methods is determined by the actual type of the object, event, or wedding that is being referenced at runtime.